Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Septiani Putri. You can call me Putri. I'm a third semester student of Mercu Buana University, Jakarta. In order to complete my second English major assignment, today I want to present my essay about technology. I'm super excited today to talk to you about artificial intelligence for self-driving car. Okay, here we go. Today's technological development can replace humans' job from the easiest job to difficult job. Everything around us, such as gadget, TV, air conditioner, vacuum cleaner, and many more, this work on a smart technology. Sooner or later, we are surrounded by technology called artificial intelligence. But wait, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or simply we call it AI, is a simulation of human intelligence by computer. The computer can react and respond like human being. Sounds amazing, right? Many tech companies are vying to develop this technology. Big tech companies in the world such as Google, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, and also Tesla, they dedicate their resources to make breakthrough in AI. Unconsciously, every day we interact with AI technology, directly or indirectly, such as facial recognition, gaming platforms, chatbots, and also mapping application. Meanwhile, our dream about self-driving car is still on developing. I think self-driving car can solve the driving problems in our society. Self-driving cars works in different way with human driving cars. Do you know? They use sensors such as radar, GPS, and cameras that provide information to the central computer, which can figure a model around the car. All the data from the car received, correctly figured and processed by machine learning. They can give information about the obstacle in front of the car and how to avoid it. The car also learn the pattern to identify the same object in the future because the car has recognized it. Okay, now I will explain you about the 5 core components of self-driving cars. The first is computer vision, second is sensor fusion, the third is localization, the fourth is path planning, and the last is control. Okay, we start from the first. Computer vision. How we use camera images to figure what the world around looks like is using computer vision. How we incorporate data from other sensors like lasers and radar to get a richer understanding of our environment is using sensor fusion. And then, once we've built this deep understanding of what the world around us is, we use localization to figure out precisely where we are in the world. And then, when we figure out where we are in the world and what the world looks like, we use path planning to chart a course through the world to get us to where we'd like to go. And the final step is control. Control is how we actually turn the steering wheel and hit the throttle and hit the brake in order to execute the trajectory that we built during the path planning. And then we move to the next part. The next part I will tell you about the pros and cons about self-driving car. People say that self-driving car is safer than human driving cars because self-driving car can be more energy efficient and more productively possible to the users. But sometimes humans' perception can be very different from the actual. The cons is it costs higher than humans driving car and it can make people over reliant on technology. And also the software failure may be occur. And the last part is conclusion. The conclusion is it is I think it's good to developing AI for self-driving car or everything. But self-driving cars still need further experiment and development to make it perfect before production. And the last is no need to be worried for us about technology in the future. I think that's all my explanation about my essay. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.